Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to A to Z Mobile Repairing, where we make mobile repair simple and accessible for everyone. Today, we're tackling a common yet annoying issue, the pink display problem. If your phone screen has suddenly started showing a pink tint or streaks, don't panic. I'm going to show you how to replace your display to bring your phone back to life. Make sure to watch until the end to catch all the pro tips you need to get this done like an expert. Take a close look at this display. You can see the pink discoloration spreading across the screen, making it nearly impossible to use the phone properly. This issue could be caused by a damaged LCD or faulty display connectors. So, let's fix it step by step. Now, we need to remove the back cover. Slide the tool gently around the edges until the back panel pops off. Make sure to be patient. Rushing can damage the cover or internal components. Once the back cover is off, it's time to disconnect the battery. Remember, safety first. After disconnecting the battery, locate the display connectors. These are usually marked on the motherboard, so it's easy to spot them. Use your plastic tool or tweezers to disconnect them carefully. Now comes the part where we take off the damaged display. Now it's time to bring in the new display. Align it carefully with the frame and press it into place. This step requires precision to ensure that all connectors align perfectly. Reconnect the display cables and the battery. Once you're satisfied with the display, secure the back cover and screw everything into place. Double check that the phone functions as expected. And look at that! The pink problem is gone, and the display is looking crisp and clear. And that's how you solve the pink display problem with a display replacement. Whether you're doing this for the first time, or you're a seasoned repair enthusiast, following these steps will ensure a smooth replacement. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever faced a pink display issue before? What other repair topics would you like us to cover next? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy repairing!